I can't lie, this is probably going to be a slightly controversial one today, but with the incredible advances in technology, we're seeing some extremely interesting products. One such is robotic massage. I'd like to welcome Jens Schramm, CEO of Robo-Sculptor, to answer some of our questions today. Welcome, Jens.
Thank you.
Well, let's kick it off. Can you tell us about your product, Robo-Sculptor? What is it and why is it special?
Yeah, Robot-Sculptor is bringing a new treatment to the luxury hotels and wellness and spas. We call it vibro-compression by spheres. And this whole treatment is done by a robot without any assistant. And we have a few treatment protocols which have been inside, and we can add a lot of more. And we have the first availability of controlling the temperature of the body during the massage to let the patient know when we achieve the right temperature for the muscle for relaxation and for all the tension which they have.
Wow. So how effective is robotic massage compared to human massage? What can it do that humans can't?
Um, we can do similar things like human massage. So we can be focused on pain and tension, but with our vibro-compression by spheres, with 150 small spheres which are going over the body under the pressure which can be adjusted by the patient, we are getting a very powerful treatment of the body, which helps to get out the toxin of the body and helps as well to get rid of cellulite, for instance, or doing making the vessels more flexible, which we all know is important to have a higher blood flow and get more O2 to the body. And this supports the whole body for longevity, so mentally health, physical health, and emotional health.
Amazing. So how do robotic massages adapt to different pains and tensions that someone might have?
You can scroll it on the screen. So if the patient is coming saying, "I have a special area which I need to be focused on," and we have the right applicator in this stage, then you draw it on the screen like an iPad, and the robot will take care about this special area.
So do they have special sensors?
Yes. Special
Amazing.
sensors, and of course the temperature measurement is always a good point. And the patient can control it by a remote control. They can feel if it's getting better or not.
Hmm.
So there are a lot of.
And when a patient might come again and again, can they compare this information and changes in the body to the previous time that they were there?
Yes, you can always adjust it. So the robot will start always with the same procedure what he has done before. And if you want to adjust this, you can do it during the program. So you don't need to program the robot completely new.
Excellent. So what are the main benefits to businesses with robotic massage?
The main benefit is that we have a gender neutral, we have a 24/7 device, which is not getting sick, it's always working. We have, let's say, a repeatable protocol that the patient is getting always the same quality of treatment. And with our vibro-compression by spheres, we are offering a new treatment protocol to the hotels and spas, which fits to their strategy in longevity to be focused on the health of the guests and patients.
There's quite a lot of benefits there then, aren't there, with robotic massage? But are there any safety considerations or contraindications that should be considered?
Uh, Safety for robot technology is number first in development. um, all the people, a little bit, not all, but a few people are afraid to get treated by a robot because it's something which is made by a machine. Let's put it in that way. But there are a lot of safety points. So we have a few emergency stops, and even if you hit the robot, let's say you push in by hand the arm, the arm will go back into the starting position. So it goes always away from the patient. So the safety is one of our most focus in, and that is the reason why we have a small delay in launching it, because this has to be perfect. Contraindications are if you be pregnant, if you had a fresh scar, if you have epilepsy. There are a few contraindications which we inform prior to the treatment the patient. So it's all on the software from the Robo-Sculptor, and he has to agree to it that all the 12 or 14 points which we mentioned is not having one of them.
And is there any specific training that one needs to operate the robot?
It is very simple and easy made. So there will be a special training because we are working with humans, and they need to be, of course, always the safety protocol has to be discussed. What do I tell the patient? What are the contraindications which the patient has to sign? And of course, if I want to draw special areas which I got treat, all this will be trained, and the training will take a day to train the staff in a hotel.
So that's pretty quick, actually. So, not a lot of training, but anyone can pretty much use it.
Yes, we need to make it user-friendly and easy. They are not software engineers who do this treatment, so we have assistants and we have therapists, so it is very easy.
Fantastic. So what kind of businesses do you see benefiting most from adding robotic massage?
We have two businesses identified. So one is wellness and spas, and this is actually in 5-star luxury hotels. Home use device is also a possibility. Cruises, corporates. We are working with big companies already. They add the robot to do something good for their employees, because the employees is their value, other value. So this is one part. The other part is hospital business and rehab clinics, where we can do oncology massage after surgery. And even after surgery, you have sometimes water in your subcutaneous fat layers in your bodies, which you can press out with lymphatic drainage, which the robot actually is made for. So these two segments we will follow.
That's quite fascinating. That they're two very needy industries when it comes to massage. I'm feeling like I need a massage right now just talking about it. So
you need to wait.
So what kind of investment is required, and how quickly could one perhaps expect to see a return on it?
I would say it is from customer to customer different. If I do package deals where I say I have a special food which I'm designing for you, you do some fitness, and then you do a massage, we maybe sell packages which we then discuss with the hotel spa. So in general, I always say we are not more expensive than a handmade massage. It always depends on in which hotel you are selling, I would say. No?
Of course.
The return on investment actually is very quick, and even if you use the assistant to work with the robot, he can triple the income. No? Because we know that assistants are doing maybe 5 to 6 massage a day. They have to have a break from each massage to another massage. So if he's working closely with the robot, he can double and triple his numbers. Wow. His treatment numbers per day. No?
Impressive stuff. So the big question, where and when can someone try it out?
Where is the easiest one? That is Kitzbühel in Austria. It's not a 5-star plus hotel. We choose here a 4-star plus hotel. because we want to get also more experience. No? We prepared for the luxury hotels. So this will be in Austria and Kitzbühel, and this will be in mid of June, end of June.
Exciting. So look out for that date and the announcement as to where and when you can go and try one of these. But thank you very much for joining us today, Jens. I really look forward to hearing more about it as it develops. Certainly an interesting segment of the industry. Thank you again.
Thank you, Erin.